Alright, so this video is called Gringo by Shatta Wale. Shatta Wale is from Ghana, West Africa. So let's see what the video is about, and then if we have anything to say about the video, we just give our comment. But it looks like the video is a great video because a lot of people are talking about it. So let's see. Okay, watch it with me.
This story begins in a small town in the ass crack of nowhere. A mining town off yonder on the edge of the frontier. A land of crooks, villains, gamblers, drunks, and wild women. Even in this crazy old town, there has to be some sort of law and order.
I think the starting is kind of boring. It's kind of like the intro, but let's see. The concept is nice, but I don't think it matches the music.
Now, some say he's lost his eye as payment for a gambling debt. Others say he lost it whilst fighting off a 30-foot rattlesnake. Whatever the story is, this here was the biggest, baddest son of a bitch on this side of the old river.
I don't know if he's trying to talk about Mandingo, but it says Gringo. So let's see. I don't know if there's a. I'll just Google it. Hold on.
Stranger. Skin as dark as night. Clad in the finest of silk, gold and cotton. Is he lost? Whoever this hombre is, he sure ain't here to ask for directions. On any other day, folks would get on about.
So based on what I find, Gringo is a Spanish-speaking country in a context, chiefly in America, a person, especially an American who is not Hispanic or Latina. So let's see.
Shout out to man Gringo. Yes, Gringo, Ringo. Wow, hey, Mandingo. Oh yeah, make me tell him. Me never see no bad man where we a carver. Yes, you got that DV, I make him harbor. If a girl say picture, me not say nada. Everybody know we run this town. Yeah, man. People, we a smoke in every corner. Ask about Shatta movement in a Ghana. Tell them a wine when them get the number one banger. I like them a tell candidate Gaga. Me never stealing, I mean them on a talking boat. Bad mind take when we see them walking. Even if me who I got talk about dance, I know. If me want to really date a girl, me I go date Cardi B. Wow, girl so sleek, girl body hot like water where you bubble in your bath. Me no want to that. Remember, every soldier know I feel living in the bush. A real Rasta can show you the right kush. If you say oh no a dance, I go check out nush. If you use a man beat a girl that a bush. Me no get stealing, I mean I'm on a talking boat. Bad mind fake when we see them walking. Even if me who I got talk about dance, I know. Yeah, even on me, who I got talk about it? Kenya, Ghana. If a girl say push, make sure you push it in a womb. Make sure she a ball like ooh. If you got a long cock, make sure you put it in a use. Cause the woman them want it for you. If you bleach her last, nice. Slow down the dose before you know I go me defy go. Boy, these are me fam land. Me not want see no boy fly in a eat like a crow. Boy, watch your mouth, watch how you talk. Cause this bad man you see can act very cool.
Every evening, everyone goes to church. They come here to drink.
I don't see why they pause it and put that concept thing. That is, to me, it's kind of off. But hey, let's see.
Just walked in with an angel, and that lady you see there ain't just another lady. That there is Jasmine. And she belongs to old Snake Eye. As you sure can guess, the devil ain't welcome in no church. down. There can only be one big dog around these parts. And as the saying goes, every good thing must come to an end.
Honestly, this
I guess
part
bad
don't
things come to an
make
end
no
too.
sense to me. But I know the video, the song was dope, everything, but this part don't make no sense. It's like, I think he's better off
As
making a
one
movie
story
than just-
ends,
or making a soundtrack for a movie than
another
just making
begins.
a music video like that. The video concept is nice, the song is dope. Don't
Who
get me
is
wrong.
this strange
Some things
cowboy?
right, I don't think it makes sense.
Whoever he is, he will never be forgotten.
But something didn't go right. Alright, so alright, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also try to visit my website www.techclothing.com, and also I have a hairline which is the TERKhair.com, and don't forget to use the promo code Queens to get a discount. Alright, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Peace out. Treat everyone right and kind and tell everybody racism kills. Get your hoodie, get yours. Represent, support the movement.